Hello everyone, my name is Cal Nicolas F. Manapat from grade 7 Descartes, and today I am tasked to guide you again on using MS Excel, but on creating grading sheet. So this is how you do. First, write the subjects like that, but I aligned it in major subjects and the minor subjects. And write the first, second, third, fourth, trading, average, and remarks. Don't worry, these are just imaginary grades. They are not real. And this is how you get the average. Equal sign, then average, open parentheses, then close parentheses, then percent. For the easiest way, you can just drag it down, or you can manually put the average formula on each row and column. Then do the same thing when computing the minor subjects average. And now we are just going to manually put these grades so that you can see how you do it manually. You have to be quick, so time will not be lesson. So it will take minimum time to the finish. I'm just going to rush. Now, as you can see, these are now the average. And if you want to round them down, just press this, and they're rounded up. They don't have decimal now. And the remarks, for the remarks, the purpose of the remarks is to know if the grades passed or failed. And this is the formula for that. If, then parentheses, press the average, then equal to 85 is the passing score for mathematics and other major subjects. And then close. This is the formula for remarks. And press enter, then it will say if it passed or failed. And as you can see, because of the high grades, it passed. Then just drag it down again, and you can know if it passed or failed. Then again, you're gonna do it manually on the minor subjects by using the same formula. But there's a but. The difference is the only passing score that we are going to use is 83 because it is just a minor subject. If you ever wonder why there are like metal sounds, it is our fan so hot in here. And press enter again, then it passed. And again, the formula. Now we're going to rush it again because we're running out of time. here. Then the last two are developmental review and mapping. Then English. Sorry I didn't talk much because it's so hot in here. Can focus. Sorry. I'm sorry, I'm just confused. Oh, too hot. And then you'll just have to highlight the failing grades red so you won't get confused which are the failing grades. And all of them pass. And that's how you make a grading sheet using MS Excel. That's all for today. Thank you.